Hey Bristol Bears, Mrs. E here. So for our first lesson, there was a whole bunch of technical difficulties. And that's okay. It's very natural for that to happen as we're all getting used to everything. So if you were not able to get into your music lesson before, that's okay. Today, you're going to be able to do your music lesson, your lesson 1, and get caught up. If you have already finished lesson 1, you can go ahead and either go back and finish a PE lesson or an art lesson that you may need to make up because of technical difficulties. Or if you have nothing to make up, you can go to Chrome Music Lab, which I will have on the side and somewhere. I will have Chrome Music Lab for you to click. Only do Chrome Music Lab if you've already finished your lesson and you are already done. If you haven't finished your lesson yet, don't go to Chrome Music Lab yet. Finish your lesson first. Okay, friends, I'm excited to see what you guys say. I have had a blast reading all of your answers and listening to all your answers so far. There have been some really, really good ones. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.